Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we will be making jalapeno cheese puffs. For the detailed ingredients, please wait until the end of the video or check the description box. We'll put them there too. So let's get started. In a small pot on medium to high heat, we're going to add our salt, our water and our butter, and then we'll wait and stir until our butter is completely melted before we add the rest of the ingredients, which will be the all-purpose flour. We'll mix until we get this dough consistency, then we'll turn off the heat and put the pot away from the heat, spread out the dough, and then put in the eggs. We don't want to put in the eggs on the hot dough so that they don't get cooked right before they mix. So please spread out the dough and allow it to cool down before adding the eggs. After mixing in the eggs, we're going to mix our seasoning and the cheese and the chopped and diced jalapenos that we have. It's up to you what type of cheese that you want to use, but we highly recommend trying to mix two types of cheeses together because it'll taste so much better. So you can use cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. If you have some Parmesan, just throw it in there. Mix until you get something that looks like this. Then start to form the little balls of cheese puffs, making sure that they're all around the same size so that they take the same time to cook. Do that while you're waiting for your oil that you're going to fry them up in to heat up. This is a great quick appetizer to make for parties and gatherings. You could prepare them a day ahead and freeze them so that all you have to do is pop them out of the freezer and right into the frying pan, or air fryer if that makes you feel less guilty. It just doesn't take up any of your time. It'll take 10 minutes to fry them up and then you're good to go. Hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please give us a like. Thanks for watching and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!